Introducing Bugatti Mistral. Bugatti has launched their new vehicle named as a Bugatti Mistral. Bugatti Mistral provides the most intense roofless experience of the W16 power. Only 99 units of a Bugatti Mistral would be produced in the world. This Mistral will become a history of a W16 engine because this is the last vehicle of a Bugatti that made on a W16 engine. This Bugatti Mistral also has 1600 horsepower, as same as Bugatti Chiron Sport. This Mistral comes with the X-themed tail lights, 4 vertical LED headlights, 2 engine air scoops showcase the unique sound experience of W16 at its very best. The roof-mounted air intake were designed as a nod to the 1934 Type 57 Roadster Grand Raid. The handicrafted interior, all the interior you are seeing is made by hand, not by any machine. A hand-woven leather pattern found in its interior. Art form and technique. The best art of this Mistral is found in its gear shifter that is a dancing elephant inside of it. Most famous color combination of this Mistral is yellow and black. This W16 Bugatti Mistral cost around $5 million. And that's all for today. If you have any suggestion, feedback or any doubt, let I know in comments. Give a thumbs up and push that red button.